নমস্কার, সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার তরফ থেকে আমার সকল দর্শকদের, ইউটিউব দর্শকদের স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি। এবং আজকের এপিসোডটা হচ্ছে কোরা বা আমরা অর্গানজাও বলি, তার উপর এমব্রয়ডারি আর ডিজিটাল ফ্লোরাল প্রিন্টসের দেখাবো। সুতরাং আমাদের অর্গানজা বা কোরা এখন লাস্ট ফিউ ইয়ার্স ধরে ভীষণ ফ্যাশন এবং তার মধ্যে নানান রকম কাজ হচ্ছে। তো আজকে ওরকমই কিছু শাড়ি যেটা নতুন হয়ে এসছে আমাদের ব্রাঞ্চে, তো সেটা আমরা আজকে দেখাতে শুরু করব। Product number 1, very smart looking pure silk Kora. This is Kora or organza, whatever you may say. Few call it Koras, few call them organza. More or less it's the same fabric. It has a Banarasi woven border. See, it's a lovely antique Banarasi woven border. At the same time, it's an Ajrak extra border print has been done in digital, and the rest is horizontal stripes. And this color combination along with vertical stripe and that also with a antique gold Banarasi border, it gives a very grand look. Very smart looking fashionable sari. 7,850 rupees product number 1, 7850, and I'll drape it for you and then you'll understand how lovely this looks even though it's horizontal stripes. In my recent favorite is horizontal stripes now, because you will be seeing recently I've been wearing a lot of horizontal stripes now, and many prints have been done and we've got a very good response. This is a silk digital printed blouse piece along with the sari. It's in bottle green, and this is the look of the sari after this draping. So this will be the product. A very smart looking print in bottle green and mustard and red combination. Product number 1, 7850. All the products in floral pure digital Banarasi Koras are 7850. So this, more of these prints were on the process, but due to lockdown my karigars printers could not do the delivery, so hence I didn't want to wait, and I wanted to show you the products because very smart looking, and very, very excited to show you the new prints that has come. See, this is also a lovely print in Aztec print, in prism print combination and multicolored, and that also very bright colors. 7850 for this too. Soft, lightweight, pure Koras. It's a pure translucent sheath of silk. This is the blouse piece in magenta. See the blouse piece, this too has a digital print, and this is the sari. Very smart looking, lightweight, very lightweight, soft. And since these are pure Kora, this will have a very good fall, not the very stiff ones, the artificial ones, because these are all silk Koras. Now I've done Kalamkari print in Kora. Slate color with Kalamkari floral print throughout. Of course, it will have the woven border, zari woven border. Pallu 7850. All single piece, possible to recreate, but I don't know whether the lockdown will be extended or how long it will take. So if you have the time, and then I can take the orders in case it's sold out. So this is the blouse piece. Because these are all single pieces. Slate color, Kalamkari. Four, onion pink shade, earthy tones, but at the same time extremely rich prints and combinations. Not too contrast, keeping the same family colors, but it is looking so grand because of the border and the beautiful print. This is the sari, and yeah, this is the blouse piece with this. This is the blouse piece, silk blouse piece, and here is the sari. Product number 5, olive. All these 4 colors are in kalamkari print. Pallu. The borders will differ, because all the borders are nakshi woven border, but the floral motifs may differ in each sari. The border design may differ, but all the borders are all hand woven borders, and all traditional prints have been used, traditional Banarasi woven borders. So here is the sari along with this lovely printed, self-printed monotone silk blouse. This is the sari. So coming to the 6th number, product number 6. In kalamkari again, mustard color. Rich mustard. Soft, very comfortable. Just take the screenshot of the product. Just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp to any one of the number provided in the description part, the scroll that's going. You see there are 2 numbers. Just WhatsApp any one of the number, and once we give you the confirmation, only then make the payment in the business account that we'll send you. Proper GST bill will go along all the products, where your payment details will also be mentioned. And once we receive the product, we'll ship it in 2 to 3 working days. Tailoring will be resumed once the lockdown is over. Now here comes the floral Banarasis. We have 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19, and the other one is 12 Jamir Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19. It's a magenta, reddish magenta color, lovely floral print all over. 7850, product number 7, 7850. These florals look very pretty on wearing. See, this is the blouse piece. All the saris I'm showing you, I'm draping it fully open. So just take the screenshot. That was product number 7A, and the same thing in another color, 7B. Floral, yellow, cash on delivery again will resume in Kolkata after lockdown. This is the lovely printed floral Banarasi Kora with blouse piece. Just make this blouse only, make little close necks look very nice. Close neck, sleeveless also will look nice, or with sleeves, cap sleeves or puff sleeves, halter necks. These you can, very fashionable way you can make the blouses. You can make it as a little longer top, like a top also. Now comes product number 8. 8, I will show you 3-4 colors. See, it's a very smart print. Here I have done the Ajrak print, and here is the woven Banarasi border, and the body I have left it. See, it's a geometric leher block, very smart looking. Here is the pallu, 7850. All florals R7850, I mean printed ones, printed organza Banarasis, R7850, product number 8A. This is the sari and this is the beautiful blouse piece in silk. This is the blouse piece. I've opened one. The rest colors I'll just show it to you so that you can understand. This is the whole sari. See the pallu. The other colors I'll not open fully. I'll just show it to you. It's magenta, this is another color, magenta with this blouse piece, magenta blouse piece in diagonal checks. One, this is B, this is C. Three colors. Grey color, this is also a beautiful print, and color also, so lovely grey, and this maroon goes very well, very smart looking. And here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Fine. So now coming to the next category, next kind of design. I'll show you so many varieties in silk kora. See, now with this I've done body in bandhej, all hand bandhej. This is not print, this is tie and dye bandhej with, it has a woven zari border, very smart sleek woven zari border, and ajrak printed pallu. Very unique design. 8550, I mean I'm saying it, you have to tell me, just leave a comment if you like the products. Bandhej with ajrak. Today I burned my fingers, so I'm a bit slow in draping the saris. This is the blouse piece. So ajrak blouse and ajrak pallu. Here. Very smart concept. The other color, 10 in bottle green. Pallu 8500. Just check out our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata Facebook page. The link is provided, the Insta page link is also provided. There the still photographs of this will be uploaded in the albums, so you can just go through the products there also. The still products photographs will also be uploaded. This is the blouse of this. Make the sleeves puff sleeve and leave it transparent, the body give lining. Looks these transparent kora blouse sleeves looks very smart. Good puff here. Now I'll just tell you something about my product. This is in silk kora. With you just see how this shades of sea green and rama green and turquoise blue. Only those colors in silk thread. I've just asked my karigar to just give a very very smart different kind of border design. So this is what he's done, and I really loved it. Just border pallu concept with tassels. This is the sari. It's just border pallu concept, like I've told you. Very smart looking. The neck piece that I'm wearing, it can be increased also. The length can be increased. 2990 for the neck piece. 2990 with rice pearls, and there's a tassels, red tassels without the earring. And the sari will have a pure crepe blouse. It's 7900. It has a very smart looking red crepe blouse. 7990, 7,900 I think. So this is the sari, single color. Now product number 11, red Kashmiri, and in a woven silk organza zari woven border. See, the body will have full Kashmiri work. This is the full embroidery in the sari. Pallu is zari woven, so is the border, and the sea green with red, it's very rich combination. Throughout the sari will have the thread work. It just looks as if it's an applique, it's a 3D embroidery, but it's actually not applique, it's embroidery, thread work with blouse piece in organza, red blouse piece, and here is the sari. In case I miss out the prices, just check out the description part, all the price details will be mentioned. 8,990 rupees, 8,990, the sari price. This is a yellow and a sea green color combination. Just see the body part, through half the sari will be full embroidery and the rest will have big pleats in the pleat part will also be thread work. Yellow and sea green color combination with zari woven border. Range wise these are very rich looking sari because it has so much of work and all silk koras. So here is the whole sari. It will also have the yellow blouse piece. You can wear a raw silk blouse also like what I am wearing, but I think this sari blouse will also look very pretty. This is the blouse piece. Now coming to chicken in Kora, product number 13, 8,800, product 13. Light sky blue color, very soothing, all over work. See the mannequin also wearing a same one in light ash silver ash color. Very rich thread work but in pastel. 8,800 with full work. Even this color, the sky blue color that I am showing, 8,800 all over work. Soft pastel color. All the colors are very rich and this embroidery is so intricate, very small work, hence it looks very nice. And this is the silk blouse, a crepe silk blouse. So I'll show you many colors in this. 8,800, this is a sky blue one. The mannequin is wearing a silver ash color. Now number 14 is an off-white color. All the colors are very soothing and you know it looks really nice on wearing because these are all in chicken work, machine chicken work. Lovely embroidery. because this, if we want to do by hand, it will be very expensive. So this is done in machine machine work, but it gives a very beautiful all over work and very pocket friendly also. 8,800 with blouse piece, and very eye soothing for the summer. We love pastels, so this is a lovely sari in a pastel shade, pink and off-white, very nice combination. Here also you'll get this butter color blouse, off-white color. Now a lime green color, number 15. See the pallu. See the finish of the product, the piping, the neatness of the piping, the finish. It's a beautiful shade, especially when you wear it with this blouse only. The color will be more brighter because it's a shade darker than the base color. You can make the wear the petticoat this color or also body color. Anything will look nice. And cotton petticoats are absolutely fine. Even I am wearing a cotton petticoat with my silk organza. In case you can't outsource a satin or anything, so cotton petticoats are, I feel very comfortable in cotton petticoats. This is a lime green color, same price. Now number 16. These are also very fashionable, the same color like I am wearing, in badla work. See, it's hand badla, Mukesh that we say. It's done by hand. Metallic metal strips are used, very fine metal strip, very skilled karigars can do, and it's very nowadays you don't see much badla karigars because it takes so much of time. Very simple sari but a very smart looking one. I've given a bottle green piping with this cot piping, 7,500. I have another piece same color, but in that I've given the red crochet border instead of the green bottle green. So anybody wants without the piping, they can go for the crochet border also. See the badla, it's beautiful and a lovely shade of red, and this too has a blouse piece. This is the crepe blouse with badla work in the sleeves. Beautiful sari, a very smart looking, simple, but very it will stand out in the very different. 17, 8,950 rupees in milk white floral organza with chicken work. The digital print is done in only the bottom part. It's a white color with chicken horizontal work. Very fashionable sari. 8,950 rupees. I've used a crochet border also in this very narrower lace, and this is the thread work. And you see it will have a silk floral digital blouse with this also. I feel so dreamy. White and this Dude Alta florals, and make the sleeves big sleeves look very nice. Now coming to pearl work, scalloping work with pearl embroidery. It's a sea green color, mint green color. Just see the work. very cool color, very heavy work. I mean, throughout will have lots of pearls in the sari. See, Dana pearl, and also the blouse is rich. The blouse will have the blouse. Okay, no, the blouse is running only with this. This is the blouse piece. The blouse sleeves will be with border. Sea green color, and I've got another one in peach color. Product number 19, 8,800. Product number 19. Yeah, just showing the opposite side. This is the correct side. See the pallu, the corners, the corner work. Dusty pink color, very pretty color. Yes, that's what I was thinking. Maybe I missed out the blouses there in my go down. Maybe I just missed out the sea green blouse. The blouse will be like this. That's what I'm thinking. I'd asked my karigar to make a very rich blouse, but yeah, see, this will be the blouse piece. Even for the sea green, I couldn't show you that blouse, but even for the sea green, it will have a crepe blouse with this pearl work. Both sides, see the lovely pearl work in both the sides. And this is the pearl work blouse will look very nice. Again, let me tell you, the sea green sari too has this pearl work blouse piece. Now some very fashionable silk organza with mirror work. All these have just come and I really wanted to show you these because see, I'll tell you something in details about this. This I have not attached the border on top of the sari. I've cut out this part and attached the mustard border along with the magenta, so that it's typical on top of border. I don't like. Sanskriti is very renowned for these cutting borders. We are very people love our finishing of this border, how we attach two borders and then do the finishing of mirror works. Just see the work, very smart looking, sleek mirror work. Even the body will have work, tiny mirror works. Product number 20, 6990 only, 6,990 with throughout mirror work, but lightweight because mica has been used. This is the pallu, it will go running, and this is the blouse piece. It will be mustard, the border color with mirror work, tiny mirror work in the blouse piece. Very smart looking sari. And quickly I'll show you the lovely colors that has come. One is grey and gajri color, carrot color and grey color. Grey and carrot color, same price, with carrot color blouse piece with mirror work, crepe blouse with mirror work. This is a lovely combination in mirror work also. Now comes this red and navy. Very fashionable and smart looking with this navy mirror work blouse. Very rich fashionable party wear sari, but very lightweight and in sheer organza. And this is the last one, a lovely shade of burgundy and midnight blue. With blouse piece. I love this shade. It's a very pretty color combination. So hope you like the products. Just take the screenshot and WhatsApp to the numbers given. We will be couriering to you. Thank you so much. Namaskar.